back with another vlog. I decided to vlog today since I'm doing something actually. So I am headed to a picnic with my girlfriends. I got my flowers. We have our little picnic basket. I'm super excited. We've been planning this for so long, wanting to do this for so long. And so it's nice that we finally are. The weather is really beautiful out. It was projected to rain for a little while, like leading up to the day, but it's beautiful out. It's like 80 degrees. Sorry if you're hearing my air conditioning. It's just it's hot. But yeah, so I'm hoping it's a whole vibe. We only have like an hour and a half, so not really long, but that's that mama life. You do what you can. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me when we get there. We're gonna be spread out, of course. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. It looks really good. Now, where is this place? It's not by us, I assume.
It is by, it's like down the block. It's like 111th and Pulaski, maybe?
Oh, you went. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay,
like
so not too far from you then.
Not at all.
Yeah, I'm so excited for this cake. It better be good. Ooh. The light keeps changing.
It is.
We made it, you guys. Can you guys say hi?
Hey.
Can I put the fruit in there to stay cool?
Yeah.
Or is that cool?
It's a cool. Are your drinks still cool?
Those are cool. Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah. If you drop them in, it'll just give it some more coolness.
Oh, this is so good.
And so, there's something.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure what that H was.
I forgot.
Trying to see what I'm gonna do. So the picnic was super nice. It was so nice to just get together with my girls and just chill out. Like, everybody was super spread out. It was such a vibe. Like I said, the weather was perfect. I'm so full. We had such delicious food. And that cake was amazing. It was completely vegan. Completely vegan. It tasted kind of like Ferrero Rocher on top, with like the hazelnut, and it was light enough and it wasn't too like sweet. So I'm gonna tag the name of the bakery. I think it's All Tomorrow's Vegan. Okay, so I'm texting my girlfriend. I'm gonna go get her now. And then yeah, we're probably gonna go back to her house. It's just a vlog.
But about like,
Just spend the day with me kind of thing. Are you gonna say hi? So they until the end of August. Hold on. So hi. You say hi. I'm excited. We're about to do a little mini road trip to Milwaukee.
Adventures.
Hey, adventure time. It's like 11 o'clock. So we should get there by 1 o'clock, I guess. So we'll take you guys along with us. All right, so we still waiting on my friend Veronica. She brought some snacks. What's she bringing you to?
Mint watermelon tea.
Watermelon tea. Now get you a bougie friend like that, honey.
Yes.
Love it. I'm probably gonna have to pee like a motherfucker, but
He like,
hey,
yeah.
Brandon.
Look.
You gonna be on the vlog.
You gonna be on the vlog. Look.
I'm excited. So it said it's gonna take an hour and a half. So we out here, y'all. Out here. I had to put on a little lip.
You got this belly showing. Hold on.
Right, she look all sexy.
Out here with this belly. A bigger of matter.
Man, I got my boobs out here, but all right. So we've been waiting on you. Say hi, Veronica.
Hi, sorry I'm late. Look, my makeup ain't even done.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna head to I don't know. So a lot of places out there don't take reservations.
Oh well.
So it's just gonna be a wherever we can get in type situation.
I think that's almost better.
Okay. All right. Well, I just typed in one place. Oh, and then while I'm driving, can we book the kayak?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to see if I don't know if we do a tandem. Can you go by yourself still, or
yeah,
you can? They won't make you.
I don't want to be with y'all.
No, but I'm making sure that they won't make it where you can't be by yourself. I didn't know how that would work or not. If you had a tandem kayak, I don't know.
If they have an option,
they do, right? Yeah, that's true. Okay. All right. Well, yeah, find a company and we'll book it. I think it was like $25 for the hour or something.
For an hour?
Yeah.
Okay. So have you been kayaking before?
Yeah, I mean, like years ago though.
Okay.
I mean, I don't even know the last time for real.
I'm nervous.
Are you?
Yes.
It should be fun. I mean, I can't swim. I'm claustrophobic.
Yep.
Like all these things, but I've not heard of somebody having an accident. Or
It's when I talked to the lady, she was telling me that it's in shallow water. So
okay.
That's fine. It's just the more.
What do they mean by shallow though? They probably mean
it's probably
right.
As long as I can.
I think it's like just waist.
Wow.
Okay.
You extra.
Wow. That was interesting.
I have to find something like.
I'm about to just get drunk.
Yeah, we made it, you guys.
We made it.
All right, so first stop is brunch. We're in the 3rd ward, which I'm excited about, and I'll just show you guys. But it's supposed to be like a super popular area, so a lot of brunch spots. So if this spot doesn't work out, we'll just go somewhere else. All right, you guys, the weather is perfect.
That is Johnny's spot.
I know that means go time.
No.
Like my shit.
Yeah, I have.
I don't know what I'm doing. It's too big for my apartment, but yeah.
Well, yeah, way too big. This is beautiful.
Maybe like a late.
So I need something high.
Yeah, I need to have that.
This is cute.
See, look at this table.
Oh my god, yeah, look at this.
Mine is within.
I know that's right.
Oh, when, yeah, girl. That bar card is really cute too. Oh, no. Not different places as well. Hi, how are you guys? Going to Restoration Hardware Outlet. I've never been to this. None of us have been, have we?
Well, actually, yeah, I've been inside.
See, I haven't.
It's expensive.
Yeah, I know that.
This is nice.
Yeah, this isn't bad.
This is nice. It's not as low.
How much is this one? How much is your couch? 6,000?
3,000. 3,000.
This is doable. I can do this, maybe.
I
don't like how, I don't know. Y'all, we just sat on a $14,000 couch. Like, we don't deserve. Maybe we do deserve. It's real in here. They don't have alcohol?
That's rough. Unless they have a different menu.
Yeah, possibly. Let's hold out.
A couple of mimosas, some rosés.
Ooh, you know I need a Benedict, honey. That's my favorite wherever I go. They have a lot.
Yeah, they do have a lot.
I'm obsessed. This looks so yummy. How are your chicken and waffles? That's great. How's the Paloma?
Good. Really good.
I love it. Come on. Say hi, Danielle. We're about to go kayaking. We're nervous, but we got this. It'll be fun. We're out on the water.
Out on the water.
We finally kind of got the hang of it. But this is nice, you guys. Like, the day could not be any more beautiful. Like, it's gorgeous out here. I love it. All right, you guys. How was it?
It was great. It was very peaceful.
It was fun.
It was peaceful.
Our vaginas are wet. Mine is, at least. And not the good kind of wet. Like, I'm dripping all the way down my legs.
Like fish water.
Right, right.
Possibly sewer. I don't know.
So we brought a change of clothes smartly enough. So we're going to probably pop over to Milwaukee Public Market and then bike or something. I don't know. We'll see.
Work up another sweat.
All right, y'all. So we have our honey pie, honey pie pies. Danielle got turtle, almond joy, which I'm gonna have to try some of, and coconut key lime. And so we're going to the sweet, what is it called? Swing Park, which is some crazy shit that Milwaukee has, but this is cute. Oh, it is a whole party. Oh, this is so cute.
Okay, this ain't bad.
Lauren strikes again. Oh, this is so cute. All right. Oh, perfect. So we can like sit like this. All right, bitch. Let's see what you got. Ooh, boy. All right, I got the coconut key lime. These are like $7, but so worth it, you guys.
Okay, here we go. Ooh, yes. Look at that texture, y'all.
It looks so big. Lime that. This is gorgeous.
Beautiful. Same lake.
Do you guys see that front building right there? Yeah, it is. No.
No, that building over there. The white building over there. On the
No.
bottom.
No, you guys all give up. No, see those flags. Okay.
Alright. This looks good. I didn't realize this shit don't have a lick of green on here. We're obsessed with these cheese curds, you guys. Not a lick of green now. All back there. Potatoes.
I was gonna say you asked for extra cheese curds. I was like, ooh, she was for real.